Hello and welcome back to the Beer Dog Reviews. As always, I'm Chris and today I've got a more traditional beer for you. It's one of those myriad of traditional beers that you can pick up for between £1.50 and £2 in most supermarkets in a 500ml bottle. And today we're looking at, from Fuller's, London Pride. Nice traditional beer. I've had it before, but I haven't reviewed it, so let's have a look and see what it's like, shall we? Not had it for quite some time, so we'll see if it's as good as I remember, not as good as I remember, etc. So like I say, 500ml bottle coming in at 4.7%. Simple design on the crown there. Now, let's have a look. So, a rich distinctive base of British malt. Now obviously in a lot of traditional beers it's usually something like a Maris Otter malt or something similar to that. And a diverse blend of Target, Goldings, Challenger and Northdown hops. All very traditional old world hop varieties. The essence of our capital city and the people who call it home. Well, there we go. It is it's authentic, original and full of character. Have a look, shall we? Simple design on the label there. Don't think the label's changed that much really in, well, God knows how many years. Standard warnings on the back, of course, you know, if you're a car, don't get pregnant. Little smoke on the opening. Get it into the glass. And there we have it. So, we have a rich amber coloured beer, very slight head, almost off-white, just hanging in there. We have nice steady carbonation rising up through the glass. It's got a bit of a hiss to it, so hear the carbonation dissipate. Smells malty, bready. It does smell slightly rich there. Just what I expect from a traditional amber beer. Let's give it a taste. With sweet toffee malt in there, slightly bready. Not a bad beer at all. That sweet toffee malt, it does hang around a little bit there, but then when it does give way to the bitterness you get a nice smooth bitterness. It's not too strong, it's not unpalatable, but likewise it's not too weak either. It's not an awful lot you can say about one of these more traditional beers. Yes, just the right amount of sweetness in there, just about the right amount of bitterness, nice malt in there. It's not very hoppy. It's what I'd call a very traditional, good old-fashioned real ale. Yeah. Body wise, you know, there's these sort of beers, they don't have a lot of body to speak of, do they? But nice easy drinker, very sessionable, very drinkable. Because the bitterness isn't too high, it's not going to be something that after 2 or 3 you're just going to go I've had enough now. Yeah, you could get for a few of these of an evening, I would imagine. No skunking on the aroma at all. A nice, easy drinking, traditional beer. Can't go wrong really, can you? No. Cheers to you all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down there. As always, I'll pop the links for my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram right down there in the description box. I'll see you all again next time. Happy drinking.